Hi everyone, today we will solve an exponential equation 4 power k plus 4 power k is equal to 100. Find the value of k. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 4 power k plus 4 power k is equal to 100. 4 power k plus 4 power k is equal to 2 times 4 power k is equal to 100. Divide this 2 on both sides of the equation. 2 cancel with 2, we have 4 power k is equal to 2, 1, 250, 100. Now take logarithm on both sides of the equation. Log of 4 power k is equal to log of 50. For the left hand side, we will use the power rule. Log of m raised to the power n is equal to n times log of m. So it will become k times log of 4 is equal to log of 50. We can write this as k log of 4 is equal to log of 2 into 5 into 5 is 50. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 5 is 50. We will use a formula of product log of m multiply n is equal to log of m plus log of n. So same is the case for the three terms. So we have k log of 4 is equal to log of 2 plus log of 5 into 5 is 5 square. Divide log 4 on both sides of the equation. Divided by log 4 divided by log of 4. Log 4 cancel with log 4. K equals log of 2 divided by log of 4 plus applying the power rule here, it will 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 4. We have k equals log of 2 divided by log of 4 can be written as 2 square plus 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 2 square. Now we will apply the power rule in the denominator. K is equal to log of 2 by 2 times log of 2 plus 2 times log of 5 divided by 2 times log of 2. Log 2 cancel. 2 cancel with this. K equals 1 by 2 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2. Now we will use a formula here. K equals 1 by 2 plus, this can be written as log of 5 the base 2. So this is the final value of k. Now we'll check this value of k by putting value back in our given equation. 4 power k plus 4 power k is equal to 100. Or we can write this as 4 power k is equal to 50. Putting the value of k here. 4 power 1 by 2 plus log of 5 with the base 2, 50. We know that a power m plus n is written as a power m times a power n. So we have 4 power 1 by 2, 4 power log of 5 with the base 2, 50. This is square root of 4, which is 2. We can write this 4 as 2 square log of 5 with the base 2, 50. 2 times 2 power, this 2 can become the exponent of 5, log of 5 square with the base 2 equals 50. 2 times 2 power log of 25 with the base 2, 50. We know that a power log of b with the base equal b. Here b is 25. So 2 times 25, 50 is equal to 50. And left hand side equal right hand side. Value of k is correct. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.